Lily, look outside. The sky is so dark. Wow, I think it is going to rain.
Kids, please take your umbrellas.
Do we really need them, Mom?
Yes, the weather can change quickly.
I will take the big blue umbrella. Wait, Lily! Where are my shoes? Maybe they are near the front door. Here they are, but they are very dirty. You can clean them quickly.
Are you both ready?
Yes, Mom, we are ready. Where are we going today?
We are going to the grocery store.
I hope we can buy some cookies. Maybe, but Mom has the shopping list.
First, we need vegetables and fruit.
Okay. I can help you. Henry, look! The rain is starting. Quick, open the umbrella.
Stay close, kids. The sidewalk is wet.
Okay, Mom. I will walk slowly. Whoa! That puddle is huge! Don't jump in it, Henry. Just one little jump. Henry, your shoes will get wet. Oops, too late. Look at your shoes, covered in water.
Are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I just made a little mistake.
Let's keep walking. The store is nearby.
Mom, I can see the store. Let's go inside before we get wetter. Good idea.
Okay, team. Let's check the shopping list.
What do we need first?
We need apples, Cairn milk.
I will find the apples. Feet. Henry, these apples look delicious. Yes! Let's choose the red ones. I found them!
Good choice. Now we need carrots.
Mom said we need milk too. I know where the milk is. Mom, should we buy some bread?
Yes, please. Put one loaf in the cart.
Can we buy cookies now? Let's ask Mom first. Mom, can we get one small pack of cookies?
Okay, but only one pack.
Thank you, Mom. Yes, we got cookies.
All right, kids. We have everything.
Wow, let's go home. Mom, is much stronger now.
Stay under the umbrella, sweetheart.
Look at that tree! The wind is moving it. Wow, the branches are dancing.
Hold my hand while we cross the street.
Okay, Mom, I am holding your hand. Mom, I think I learned something important today.
What did you learn, Henry?
We should listen carefully and help each other. And we should never hide a problem when something goes wrong.
Exactly, Lily. Telling the truth helps us solve problems.
Thank you for teaching us, Mom. We will remember your advice.
I know you will. I am proud of both of you.
Come on, Henry. Let's finish cleaning together. Okay, Lily. Teamwork makes everything easier.
That's my team!
Today was a little difficult, but we learned a lot. Yes! Next time!
That is the most important lesson. We learn, we help, and we grow together.